In this game, you will both have 1 penny and will choose heads or tails each round. You will win or lose each round depending on what your opponent chooses. You will both choose heads or tails at the same time, and neither of you will be able to see what the other person selects until you make your own choice. You are able to talk to the other player before you choose heads or tails if you would like. You will play 20 rounds and will then switch roles and play another 20 times. You have different rewards depending on who is player 1 and who is player 2. Player 1 wins if there is a match, like heads heads or tails tails, and player 2 wins if the coins do not match, like heads tails or tails heads. Depending on if you win or lose each round, you will receive a different number of points. If the coins match heads heads, player 1 gets 3 points and player 2 loses 3 points. If the coins match tails tails, player 1 gains 1 point and player 2 loses 1 point. If the coins don't match, player 2 gains 2 points and player 1 loses 2 points. At the end of the game, we will tally both of your points and we will give you 1 starburst for each point you have received. We will choose the winner based on who has the highest number of points. If you have more points than your opponent, you win. If you lose and have negative points, you will have to do 1 embarrassing act, like singing a song or doing a funny dance, decided by the winner, and you have to do it for 5 seconds per negative point. So, for example, if you win and you have 20 points and your opponent has negative 15 points, you will get 20 starbursts from your win, as well as the pleasure of watching your opponent do an embarrassing act of your choosing for 75 seconds.